Have you ever noticed how distracted your PEs and PMs get with busy work? And it's natural, it's normal, because they have a bunch of stuff they have to do to track the work that's going on. But what is their real job? Their real job is to focus on activities that move their projects forward and make money. That is the core of their responsibility. And your job as a leader is to make sure that, one, they understand that, and that, two, they feel squeamish anytime they are getting stuck on tasks that take them away from the things that move the job forward and make money. So this is what you need to do. Meet with your project managers and project engineers on a weekly basis and ask them this question: what did you do this week to move your projects forward and make money? And then ask them the second question: what is hindering you from moving your project forward and making money? They should feel in their bones that this is their number one responsibility, and your job as a leader is to consistently communicate that to them. Because if they have that in their mind, then they will learn to focus on those things that truly move their jobs forward and make money for your company. My name is Anderton. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.